Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'll show you how to make this easy recipe for puff pastry pizza roll-ups. They're quick and easy, the kids are going to love them, and they're perfect for my favorite time of year. This is football food. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 205 degrees Celsius. Start with one sheet of store-bought puff pastry on a lightly floured surface. You can double this recipe if you want to use both sheets that come in the pack. Just lightly roll it out to smooth out the creases. Spoon on a few tablespoons of basic tomato sauce and spread it out in a very thin layer. You can absolutely use store-bought sauce in a jar. I would recommend a basic version with as short of an ingredient list as possible. I'll also link to my lasagna video at the end if you'd like a recipe for a good, easy homemade version. Leave about a 1-inch border along one side. Sprinkle on about a cup of grated mozzarella cheese. I like to grate it myself, but you could certainly use the pre-shredded stuff, or you can use one of those Italian-style blends. Don't lay it on too thick, but be sure to get a good, even coating. Now layer on some pepperoni. You can vary the toppings if you like. Some sausage would be great here, or you could make a veggie version with some onions, peppers, and olives, or whatever you like. Just don't overdo it, and remember you'll need to roll this whole thing up so it doesn't want to be too thick. Starting at the side away from the border, just fold over and roll it all up. Try not to compress the pastry too much so it can expand in the oven. Use your fingers and a little bit of water at the edge to help seal the fold. Cut this roll into 6 or 8 portions and get them onto a parchment-lined sheet pan. Mix together some olive oil and a bit of dried oregano or some Italian seasoning blend to taste. Use a pastry brush and lightly coat each individual portion. Sprinkle on some grated Parmesan cheese to help the roll-ups go nice and crispy in the oven. Get them into the center of your preheated oven and cook until they've gone golden brown and delicious. This next step is optional. While they cook, melt some butter and add in a clove or two of minced garlic to flavor it. Use the garlic butter to brush the roll-ups when they come out of the oven. And here are your quick, easy, and kid-friendly pizza roll-ups. Serve with some extra tomato sauce alongside for dipping. The recipe is on the website. Double it up if you're feeding a crowd. If you've enjoyed this video, click that like button. Also have a look at my website, southernaccentfoods.com. You can print my recipes in a checklist format, and you can sign up for a weekly recipe email and a link to my newest video before it goes up on YouTube. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see me make, and have a look at another one of my videos here.